finished our KCSE examinations, which we finished yesterday. This year, we had 3.4 million learners undertaking assessments and examinations. Out of the 3.4 million, we only registered 418 instances of malpractices in the whole country, a reduction from 600 in 2024. And I want to congratulate all of us, including our learners across the whole country, for a job well done. And to assure you parents that the government is in control in ensuring that the transition to grade 10 is on course, and no parent, no learner, no teacher should be worried that the transition will not happen. In next year, by the 12th of January, all our learners will be in grade 10, and if there are any challenges, the government is ready to undertake those challenges. Your Excellency, I want to thank you because of the promises you have given to us as a community in various places, development programs, including the University of Nyamira, whose construction has already started. I want to thank you because you make promises and you keep them. And for those who think that those promises are not going to be fulfilled, including the airstrip at Suneka, the stadium here, the housing from the prisons, we are going to shame you. We are going to shame you because it is going to happen, and the construction is not something that we keep in the pocket. You will see it, and the university that we are undertaking next year in September will admit the first cohort of the students. So I want to take the general view and just thank you for everything that you are doing. The support you are giving us in the education sector, the teachers that we are employing, the curriculum that we have done to ensure that our students have enrolled and have transitioned to the competency-based education. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts, and the people in the Ministry of Education appreciate you for the guidance and the support you've given us, including helping us resolve all the strengths that were there from NAT, KUPPET and UWASU. Wetu wengi wanaishi kwenye vitongoji duni wakati wanasoma kwenye university zetu, kwenye Technical Training College, pale Polytechnic na zile TVETs tuko nazo hapa. That is why we have set aside another 2.4 billion. Hawa wabunge wanajua pale Kisii University, huyu Vice Chancellor atawaeleza, tunajenga hostels ya watoto 1,500 already. Pale Kisii National University, National Polytechnic, tunajenga hostels ya watoto 1,200. TVET tunajenga hostels. Vile KMTC tunajenga hostels. Tumeweka pesa ya kutosha ya serikali shilingi bilioni 3 ya kutengeneza hizo hostels, kwa sababu tunataka watoto wetu wasome mahali ambapo makao yao inatoshana na yale masomo.